Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another new video. Hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. And I am also over the moon by the grace of Almighty. Today is very cold day, and as you know that winter season is going on, and right now I standing I'm standing on the roof in my building. So as you can see here, fog is everywhere. Everywhere is fog. And as you can see here behind me, many buildings around myself. And uh, for practice purpose, for practice English, actually I come to the rooftop on my building. As you can see here, actually I try to practice English. I try to learn English practically. When when we try to learn English practically, then it is very effective way to we can learn very easily. Many people say that English is very hard. English speaking is very hard. Uh, we know read, we can read, we can write, but problem is when we're talking with any other person, uh, uh, with with other people, then the problem is happen because we can't say any single word. We're feeling shy, we're feeling nervous to talk in English. So I think that uh, if you're gonna to learn English, then you can make videos every day, such as, for example, I can say that in front of me, as you can see here, many clothes are hung on the rooftop to dry. Actually, as you can see here, weather is very cold and the temperature may be down day by day. During 7 days, during 2 weeks, uh, this type of weather actually is going on. I don't know what happened in the next day, and it's maybe, if this weather like this is going on, then it is very hard for people. All the people suffer very much in this type of cold weather. Actually, winter is not joyful for every people. For the rich people, they are feeling enjoy in the and the uh, in the winter season, but some people are facing problems. Who are the working people? Who are the worker? Who are the rickshaw puller? Uh, which people are stay on the road? Which people are stay on the railway station? They are feeling uh, they face many sufferings in the winter season because they have no enough warm clothes. Even though they have no residence to live, they are inside the road. They actually stay here. So in my roof, mm, sometimes I come here to practice English. Sometimes when I get free time, then I come to the roof to take the nature, to see the natural view. As you can see here, this is a beautiful nature, and behind me, look at many building. Those are the very big mm, biggest building. And so as you can see, this is the another buildings, and in this building, this is look at over there, this is another building. In this building I can see many small plants there in their building, and this building is very look nice. This building is very beautiful to look at. So my my rooftop is also nice to look at. So we should, if anyone to learn English, so we should try to learn English practically. This is very useful for us, and it is very effective way to learn English. We have to practice regularly. We have to practice in front of the camera. That's gonna be very easy for us to learn English, to get uh, new things in our life. So practice English, and you have to listen English podcast. You have to watch English videos, more and more. So no more today. Thank you. Bye bye.